Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about addition of vector. Okay, since that vector having both magnitude and directions, they cannot be added by that method of the ordinary algebra. We cannot able to add to that ordinary algebra. Okay, ordinary algebra, but the vector can be added the geometrically, but vector they added by geometrically or analyzing. So using a certain rules called that vector algebra. So that is we are called to the vector algebra. In order to find the sum of the two vectors, you are adding means we want two vectors. Okay, so the inclined each other use that two ways. One is a triangular law of addition method. One is a triangular law of additional method. Second one is a parallelogram law of vectors. One is a triangular law of addition method. Second one, parallelogram law of addition parallelogram law of vectors. Okay. So now we see that triangular law of addition method. Let's see that we are taking to the two vectors. You see that this side, this one vector and this one vector. The arrow mark is a head. See here, non-arrow mark, this is a tile. So this portion is a tile, this portion is a head. So I am taking to the two vectors. One is a vector, another one is a B vector. Okay, you see next. Next you see that to find that the resultant of the two vectors. So you add it to the A vector plus B vector. Okay, we apply the triangular law of addition on follow. So which ways we are followed now? Triangular law of addition method we are follow that. How do we are follow that? You see that I taking the first vector, that is a vector I am taking to that. This is a tile, this is a head. So another vector B vector. So A vector head, B vector tile you are joined. Here joined. Okay. So here what happened? One triangle we are creating. Okay. Your triangle we are creating. So next you see that head of that B vector and tile of the A vector. So this two portion you have to join. Okay. Two portion you have to join. What happened? It is creating the one triangle. Right. So you have to see that A vector plus B vector equal to R vector. So this portion. So in this portion and this portion we are added means we are get to that this portion. Okay, wow. So upper value R vector equal to A vector plus B vector. Okay, I understood. So now you see that to explain. They explain further. The head of the first vector A vector is connected to the tile. So that's why I am explaining that. So this is a value. Okay. So now we are see that O cube. So you see that O P vector plus P O vector equal to O Q vector. Okay, this is a formula. This is a we are get that formula. Okay. So next you see that magnitude of the resultant vector. So now we want the magnitude of the resultant vector. The magnitude and the angle of resultant vector are determined as the follow. Okay. So you see that from the figure. Consider the triangle A. You see that consider triangle ANB. So this is the angle. So what I am doing that extend to the A vector. So in O to A having no, this vector we are extend to the N. Extend to that N. Okay. So I am joined to that extend to this this B vector, this point and N, this point are joined. Okay, we have to join means we are creating the another one vectors. Okay, so next you see that OA to the ON. So this vector is a join to the what ON. So OA to the AN. Okay, so angle. Okay, so next you see that diagram. The cos theta equal to AN divided by B. So cos theta means here we are put that B sin theta. This distance is a B sin theta. This distance is a B cos theta. So for cos theta value we have to do that. Okay, what you are doing? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Okay, so for what we are doing, that adjacent means an is the adjacent, this is the adjacent. Okay, so this is the opposite, this is a water, this is a b vector. So this is a hypotenuse. So which one is a hypotenuse? This is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite, this is the hypotenuse. So cos theta we are taking means cos theta equivalent to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Appa an vector, an by divided by b. So this is the b value only, no? So we have to take in the b. So after you have to cross multiply that. What you are doing? Cross multiply. You see that cross multiply. You see that cross multiply means the b is going to this side. So appa an equivalent to b cos theta. And at the next we are calculate to the sin theta. So sin theta means what? That formula sin theta opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, which one opposite? This is the opposite. Okay, so opposite up an bn, sorry, here having to the bn divided by ba. So okay, ba then hypotenuse. So here value b sin theta divided by b vector. So this is having to that. Okay, bn divided by b. So it's sin theta. So the cross multiply panna bn by sin theta. So next you have to taking to the angle of O, the big angle you are taking to that angle of ONB. This angle you are taking means what happened? So formula is here OB, hypotenuse squared equal adjacent square plus opposite square, right? So your formula OA square equivalent to ON square plus NB square. Okay, so now we are taking to the calculations. You see that R, you see that R vector means A plus B vector or a whole value. So இப்போ இங்க வந்து a vector உடைய values a plus b cos theta square plus b sin b square. So you have to find out this value, you have to substitute here. So that a plus b cos theta square now what that na a plus b whole square algebraic formula we are. So this is this type. So we are expanding that up. A square plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab cos theta. So now the next portion is a plus, you are put a plus b, your square now you are into that b square into b square sin square theta into sin square theta. Okay, so now you see that here you see that b square cos square theta, here also b square sin square theta. So the b square is a common, so we are taking to the b square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Formula what? Trigonometry formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So up 1 means we are multiplying a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So next we are taking the root. R equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is the r square. This is r square. We want r value means you take the root. Okay. So r equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So next one, so which is the magnitude of the result. This is the magnitude of the resultant of the a vector and the b vector. So next determination of the resultant vector. If a theta is the angle between a vector and b vector, the resultants. Next one, resultants. So modulus of a vector plus b vector equal to root of a vector a square plus b square a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, so next you taken that this portions only ONA. Okay, OBN, this big value you are taking. Tan means what? Opposite by adjacent. Yeah, ON. So tan alpha equal to bn by ON. So bn value here, ON value out we are taking now. Two types. You see that OA plus AN. ON oda value எப்படி நம்ம split பண்ணலாம், ON oda value எப்படி add பண்ணலாம், OA plus AN. So that's here you are putting that. Okay, so அப்ப tan theta equal to B sin, BN oda value B sin theta, AN oda value already we are find out b sin theta. Okay, so next in the tan alpha, here tan you are taking to this side means tan inverse b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. This like only coming to that. Okay, so next you see that a subtraction of the vector. You see that since the vector having both magnitude and direction, the two vector cannot be subtracted from the each other by the method ordinary algebra. So the subtraction also here, the two vector is a subtracted, cannot be subtracted in the ordinary normal way. Normal algebra we cannot able to that subtraction, but we are subtracted to the geometrical vector. We are using to the geometrically vector. So you are using to the geometrically vector, you are subtracted. So now you are taking to this, you see that two vectors, this one and this one, the two tile is joined here. So another one is say this angle also to join. So I draw to that. This line is 180 degrees. We are creating this degree and this degree. Added means 180 minus theta. Okay, 180 minus theta. Okay, this is a subtraction. Okay, now you see that. So you see that now you see that the difference a vector minus b vector. The subtraction means a vector minus b vector. Okay, so the same the resultants of a vector and minus b vector. So we can write the a vector minus b vector equal to a vector plus minus whole bracket of minus b vector. So this is the equation. So upon modulus of a vector minus b vector, number addition we are taking to this one. We have changed the plus a vector minus b vector modulus of equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos. So the 180, the theta is a value what? 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. You see that cos theta equal to 180 minus theta. Now we are taking to the formula, trigonometry formula, minus cos theta. So you have to substitute the cos 180 theta value, you have to substitute the minus cos theta. You are applied to here the minus into plus minus. So you have to this formula. So next the tan alpha 2 equal to sin 180 degree minus theta. Okay, so that now alpha அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வந்து இந்த 180 the 180 minus side அப்புறம் theta equal 182 வந்துனா thetaவை நமக்கு வந்துடும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ அப்போ thetaவை மாறுச்சுன்னா இங்கே வந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க sin 180 டிகிரி மைனஸ் thetaவை நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்கிறோன்னா sin theta. அப்போது இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம வந்து sin theta இந்த sin இந்த இருக்குல்ல இந்த வேல்யூ அப்படியே சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். வீட்டை என்ன எடுத்துக்கணும் 180 sin theta. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து cos thetaவாக மாறும். இது sin cos thetaவாக மாறும். So the difference of the a vector minus b vector is a vector with the magnitude and the direction given by the equation. So என்னென்ன equation நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். So this is the one of the magnitude of இது வந்து resultants ஓட values. Okay, thank you children.